Hello, Sixth Period. Today, what we're going to be talking about is just going over a couple of trouble problems or a couple of issues you might have while going over the bicycle rental problems. And we're going to focus on Rockies right now because I want you to try Adrian's on your own. So by now, you should already know that 20 bikes from Rockies would cost you 770, 40 bikes from Rockies would cost you 1200, and I've made my own estimate. If your estimate is a little bit different than mine, that's okay. But I've personally estimated that 32 bikes would cost $1,005. Now, I've also estimated that we would have about 26 bikes with $900, and I used my table to kind of estimate. I know it would be between 875 and 975, and I made my own personal estimations with that. And now this is where, right here, where you're probably going to have the most trouble. So what I'm looking for is I'm not looking for the price of 5 bicycles. I know a lot of you might want to type in $400 right away for 5 bikes, but this is not the case. That's not what our table is asking of us. We're looking for the average price per bike, so the cost for every one bike. So what you should be doing in your notebook is I know that we're purchasing 4 bikes, or 5 bikes, I'm saying. We're renting 5 bikes, and that would cost us $500. So I need to find the average price for the bike. So I'm going to have that $400. I'm going to divide that by the 5 bikes, and I am allowing you to use your calculators, and when I do the calculation, oops, 400 divided by 5, that should give me $80. So over here, I will type in that the average price per bike is $80. Now for 15, oops, for 15 bikes, we'll have to change a couple of our values because I know the price for 15 bikes is going to change. For 15 bikes, it's $655, but I just want to know the average price per bike. So what I'll be doing in my notebook is I'll be writing $655. I'm going to divide that by the number of bikes we're using or we're renting. And once I calculate 655 divided by the 15, that tells me that each bike will cost me about $43.67 because I do have to round here. 43.67. All right. So please make sure that you are rounding correctly and that you are finding the averages here. You will notice with both Rockies and Adrian's, you'll see a specific trend with the price per bike as we continue to purchase more bikes.